My file is open and I'd like to draw your attention to the top left, the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar stays on your Excel window screen irrespective of which tab you move to. I'm currently on the Home tab. If I move to the Data tab, I can still see the Quick Access Toolbar. Same for View tab, Help tab, it's always there. The Quick Access Toolbar is often referred to as the QAT, and as already mentioned, it's located at the top left of your Excel window. By default, it has 4 options, or 4 buttons, or 4 icons. Number 1 is Save. Number 2 is Undo. Number 3 is Redo. And number 4 is More Options. The More Options is what allows you to customize the Quick Access Toolbar. If you make changes to your spreadsheet and you don't have autosave on, a manual save is required. Generally, people will go to the File tab and then choose the Save option. By default, there is a Save option on the Quick Access Toolbar which prevents us having to do that. So clicking here on that will automatically save the spreadsheet for us. Click on the drop down to the right of it, which is the More Options button. Choose Show Below the Ribbon. And it may look like this. So in this example here, my Quick Access Toolbar is located beneath the ribbon. I personally prefer to have it on the top left, therefore I'm going to click on that More Options button again, and this time choose the last option, Show Above the Ribbon, which will relocate it to its default location. The idea with the Quick Access Toolbar is that commands and icons are available to you quickly, irrespective of what tab you're in, so they're quickly accessible. For example, let's say that I sort data a lot. Generally, what I would have to do is go to the Data tab and then choose the Sort button from the Sort and Filter group. I would prefer to have that readily available to me on the Quick Access Toolbar. To do so, right-click on any of the icons, in this case the Sort button, and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. That will immediately move it to the end or the rightmost side of my Quick Access Toolbar. This can be done with any icon or any button on the ribbon. To remove something from the Quick Access Toolbar, locate it on the Quick Access Toolbar, right-click and choose Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. I'm now going to show you another way of adding items to the Quick Access Toolbar. For example, to create a new spreadsheet, generally people would go to the File, then they would go to New and click on Blank Workbook. And a new workbook is automatically displayed. I'm just going to close that down. Rather than creating a new workbook using the File tab, instead I would like to have the New option available to me on my Quick Access Toolbar. To do that, click again on the rightmost button to the right of the Quick Access Toolbar and choose New. Notice that there's a check mark beside some of the items. Anything with a check mark to the left of it indicates they are currently on the Quick Access Toolbar. I'm going to add New option, and then you can see it immediately on the Quick Access Toolbar. I'm also going to add Open, and I'll do one more, Print, Preview and Print. There are now 3 new options added to my Quick Access Toolbar. If I now want to create a spreadsheet, a brand new spreadsheet, rather than going File, New, I can simply click here on the New icon and a brand new spreadsheet is opened for me in 1 action rather than in 3 actions.